My name's Shane Narbone. We're at the Milwaukee Mile, and it's round 2 and 3 of the Bagger Racing League.
We had a good weekend. We had a really good weekend. From the beginning, it was a little rough. We skipped both practices, Friday, Saturday, and I did 2 laps today.
It was good, you know, yesterday's race was a good starting point really for getting up the pace. And then this morning we had pretty much our real first practice on Sunday. From there we kind of, we got a decent start in the second race, but you know, it's hard to pass here. It was a tight track. In the end, we managed to still get second today and second yesterday, but hats off to the whole Trask racing team, man. That bike is unbelievable, and just the power delivery from a stock 107 motor and having the turbo put on it is the way to go, you know. The motor's so reliable with the turbo, and you still have, if not the best power out there.
We all went in. I started from dead last and worked my way up to 5th. I kept seeing the person and kept picking and picking and picking, and we finally got there. And I saw the checker, and I didn't even know. I didn't even know the checker. I just kept keeping my head down, and I was so pumped when we got to the end.
All in all, it was a good weekend. We're still in the championship lead, and we look forward to Daytona.
I'd like to thank everybody. I have to thank Nick, Brian, Moots, Ron, Scott, and I have to really thank Shane for helping me out get here.
Scott, Ron, Moots, Brian, Rusty, Russell, they killed it. You know, it's we couldn't do it without them.
Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so I need you. Baby girl love my bob, and I like me too. No roof on my top, and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so I need you.
Yeah, of course. I mean, Danny Elsick he's an animal, and he can ride anything, which is cool to ride with. You know, he's one of the legends, really. To be able to ride and try to chase him down is cool, you know.
Serve him a fate, I'ma hand him the shears. He not the man he appears. Heart of a lion, I'm trampling fears. I love the man in the mirror. Cry me a river to stand in the tears. You better stand in the clear. I'm going crazy, niggas fugazi. How would they ever gon' fuck with a kid? Put it on back.
We just got off the dyno before we came out here. Bike sound good, the motor sound good.
Fiji water by the cold glass, granddaddy by the ziplock. Flex season, I'm road running, I'm staying all on my tip top. Young man with an old mind, so I ain't worried about slight shit. I be up till sunrise, I'm staying out on my night shift. I got a bottle of bourbon, a bundle of honeys, I'm jiggy, I'm flexing a bit. Figured I hit it and quit it, I'm busy, I ain't got the minutes for texting it, bitch. Came from the gutter with me and my brother, I'm moving my mother right out of the city. Bitch, I'm a star and they know.
And of course, everybody knows Insane Shane, the defending champ. He's a hard charger. A little bit cocky, but when you're the number one, you carry the number one plate, I guess you can do that. He instills a ton of confidence in us. He hasn't been on the track yet, but he tells us, don't worry, he's got this.
My swole up, double cup and I'm pulled up. Niggas hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shorty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up. Baby girl love my pop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my big see-through. Hating on a pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you?
Hi, I'm Gunnar. I ride for Trask Performance in the Pro Stock. You should check out Bagger Racing League, see us in Daytona.
And go check out Trask Performance on social media and Bagger Racing League and see where we're going next. We'll see you there.